Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm one of the owners of Bocks Steam Star. I'm a 26-year veteran in the carpet cleaning industry. And I'm joined here with my good friend Hobie Reber from Keller Williams. And we're really talking about our referral reward program that's been a staple of ours at Bocks Steam Star. I found out years ago it's probably much more advantageous for us to pay other people to talk about us than a high-price advertising firm. And Hobie, I know that you've participated in this program for a long time. Tell everybody kind of about your experience with the Bocks Steam Star's referral reward program and how it's kind of fit into your business as a real estate agent.
Okay. Yeah. So when I refer somebody and they use Bocks Steam Star, they usually give me this nice little coupon that I can hand out to my clients, which they like that.
Added, right?
Yeah, they get a discount. But then on top of that, once they get their job done and they pay for it, then I get this little piece of paper in the mail, and it shows me how much they spent and a little referral bonus that can be used. Now, what I've done with those is two things. I've actually used them for myself if I needed carpet cleaning at my house. But generally I save those, and if I have a client that needs some help, if they don't have a lot of money to get their house ready or whatever, but they need their carpets cleaned, I will give these to the client, and then they can just take that off of their bill, and sometimes they get it for free. So that's what I really like about it. And they do send those after.
That's right. These actually show up. It'll look just like this. And like he mentioned, let me clarify, there's two ways to redeem these. There's for service or cash. Okay,
I can get cash.
You could get cash.
Oh, never mind the rest of it.
So forget all the other stuff. He never redeems them. Obviously, we'd rather you redeem them for service. Thank you. But we do have a 12-month limit on the cash redemption, but we'll always honor these. But do track these, because once these go out, we don't track them. They kind of go out. If we come back, we honor them. So, but we do send these out. We promise, and we're a referral-based company. We'll take great care of your referrals that you send our way. And Hobie, thank you so much.
Yeah, I've had 4, 5, 6 of those. I've let them stack up, and then when I need them, got a nice little discount on top of it.
It's just like cash to us. So this is on top. If you see another coupon out there you use, this is like a bearer bond. Think of it just like cash. So if you got 10 of them and you want to have your whole house cleaned, just here you go. They take them off the bill.
It works.
There you go. Thank you.